Hello, in this video I will show you how to find equation of tangent line by using your Nspire. Let's start typing our equation on the graph page. In this question we know the x coordinate only. Sometimes we might be given both coordinates, so we will have two different options there. I'm just cleaning up the screen. Press menu, geometry, points and lines, and option 2 and 3. Since we only know the x coordinate, I will use the option 2. If we are given the both coordinates, we could select the option 3 as well. Now with option 2, just click on anywhere on the graph. As you see at the top left corner, you see the tool is active, so press escape to deactivate it. Then when you double click on the x coordinate, you can change it easily. Next, same place, this time we will select the tangent and click on the point. If we need the graph, again we can just press escape and get rid of the tool, and we can just control the arrows, we can extend them and have a beautiful view. If you need to change the x value, if you need equation of tangent at another point, just double click on x coordinate and type the new x. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.